Hello everyone. Today I will discuss in detail the Samsung Galaxy P1 phone. Samsung Galaxy P1 specifications. Take a look at the design. The Samsung Galaxy P1 5G phone has a 6.8-inch Super AMOLED Full HD with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Also, a 1M color combination with a capacitive touchscreen. The device has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The Samsung Galaxy P1 main camera has 108 megapixels. For selfie, it has a 48 megapixel camera. The Samsung machine can hold a 6000 mAh battery box with the support of fast charging technology. The Samsung Galaxy P1 5G storage section has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 5G chipset and boots as an Android 13 version. It has dual SIM and both SIM are supporting GSM, 3G, HSPA/LTE, 5G technology. Sensor, fingerprint, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Operating system, Android 13. Battery, Li polymer 6000 mAh non-removable. Wireless charging unsupported. USB 4.0. IP69 certified. Audio jack, 3.5mm. Samsung Galaxy P1 5G release date. There is no official confirmation news available at this moment about the Samsung P1. Samsung Galaxy P1 5G price. In terms of cost, the Samsung Galaxy P1 price starts from USD $345. Country-based changes can be made at any time depending on government tax and others. So, you can see different prices for your country.